Hello, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. You're welcome to today's Voice of Chat. Today is an interesting edition, right? We're going to have a lot of interesting information as regard important cryptocurrency project technical based analysis. Today we'll be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Axie, Infinity. Of course, we'll look at uh, Luna, Algorand, and of course, I'll do some review. All right. So, by the way, my name is CLINTON ONOS to Market Alarm. As always, Market Alarm is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time I've seen this channel, please do welcome, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get all important information. Just so you know, nothing you will find in this session is financial, legal, or tax advice. Please do your own research. Let's go straight to the chart, shall we? All right. Let's review what we did yesterday, right? A lot. I'm looking very unprepared today, right? Very, very unprepared. I've been very busy with stuff. Okay. All right. Yesterday we looked at Bitcoin, right? Of course, we looked at Ethereum, right? What's Bitcoin doing? Unfortunately, what I expected Bitcoin to do is falling short of it, right? I told you guys I need Bitcoin to close and stay above this level, right? Of course, I drew some example of what I expect of Bitcoin, right? At the moment, unfortunately, Bitcoin is failing to live to my expectation. As you can see, this structural level that I explained to you guys. I'm not sure we're supposed to go through Bitcoin because we're doing Bitcoin analysis, right? Okay, let's just run over SHIB Inu. Let's leave Bitcoin because we'll take a look at Bitcoin today, right? SHIB Inu is doing just fine, right? There's a little bit of discount after this swing up, right? Currently discounting. Oh, let me switch to candlestick. Many of us understand candlestick better. Currently discounting at 50%. Of course, as expected, some rejection around this level, but I think is probably coming back to the previous structural level for a retest of structural break, right? This is what I mean. Probably is coming to do this. Record that whenever a structure breaks and the retest holds, the price is likely to go up, right? What it simply means is there's the latest swing high, right? Lower high. Of course, I'm assuming away the wick, taking only the body of the candle open and close at this region, right? I think this is a region to watch out for. Let's assume this is a manipulation, and of course, if you go to the daily time frame, you see this is just a mini view, right? It's really not a bad one, right? Ordinarily, I want to see this candle close LD. This candle obviously is not closing LD. That's to tell us that we should expect something not what we are bargaining from, right? This candle, what is it called? Candle bar, whatever. Let me remove this so you see clearly. Please, guys, share with friends, family, neighbor, whoever, whatever, and of course, let me know what's up. Let me know how I can improve this, right? This candle stage, this volume, this candle is supposed to. This is a widespread candle, right? A widespread bar, right? This is a widespread bar. It ought to close somewhere around this level and not this level, right? And of course, this current day bar is currently trading down, which is not what is expected of a healthy move, right? A healthy move is supposed to go up and stay above. You can see every of the move up so far is always dropping down. Every move is always dropping down. This one significantly break, stayed above, but of course there was no follow. The follow-up candle bar, whatever, is very weak, right? Of course, we can also see the wick on the candlestick that there's a huge sell-off here, meaning the whole of this candle does not contain all buying. A lot of selling took place here, right? Of course, a lot of people targeted this previous high and sold off heavily here. So for us to see the price keep going up, we need a really good a bullish bar closing firmly above the structural break, right? Of course, this can also be a retest, right? Like I said, I pointed out that structure broke, right? Of course, this can also be a retest, a retracement for a move up, but we need a solid upward move. Of course, I told you yesterday that the structure we're looking for here has been breached. I drew this line. Of course, I told you the price is likely to come tested. You can clearly see, I don't know if you can see, maybe you can clearly see this retest tested it, and of course today it's currently zooming up after it test. So this is generally bullish. You should see price going up as far as $2 region. All right, remember our target is still around $3, right? I think, yeah, 4k, yeah, $4 to $5. So this one is already set to go, right? It's set to go, and it's very healthy. If I switch to, you can see, right, this one close very healthy, this one close very healthy. If you look back, all the previous up candle, they are closing healthy, except for this sell-off pressure to retest this level. Of course, it had, right, it had smoothly, it's going up. Probably we expect today to close off its high. Even if today close around this region, it's still healthy. It's closing up around this above this huge sell-off, so that's not bad. We looked at also yesterday, we looked at rune, right? The previous session we looked at rune, right? Rune the rune is refusing to stay above the structure, right? We expected rune to stay above the structure. It's currently trading below the structure, so we're likely still going downward, right? Of course, if you know about 2-bar reversal, this is I think I don't know what's up. Okay, whatever it is, 2-bar reversal is simply 2-bar showing a reversal signal, and this one traded up, this one traded down, and you can see it brought the price down to retest this level. I just want to see price staying above at least this level, then this level, right? So 2 levels to watch out for. Price staying above, come on, you can go out, right? Price staying above this level, right? And of course above this level, right? We need to see a trade around this level, a break of this level, and let price stay above. If you can't do that and it breaks this mini downtrend, is going to go down to back to this previous trend line. All right, so that's that Doge. I did a video on MrWhatever channel, right? You can go follow me up, guys. Subscribe to MrWhatever channel, right? I did a video yesterday explaining the reasons why this is the best opportunity for Doge. Again, Doge is giving another discount, calling for more buying pressure. So I feel and I think you guys, you look for a way to get in as soon as possible. This is the best price you can get at the moment, because you can clearly see the accumulation is long overdue for upward shoot, right? Hopefully it will do that. All right, today we'll be looking at right, today we'll be looking at is the Luna, right? Looked at Luna. What else are looking at there? What else is there, friends? Looked at Luna. We're looking at ALGO and Infinity. Algorand, right? And Infinity. All right, guys, please share with your friends, family, neighbor, whatever, right? Comment section below. Let me know what's up. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think, right, guys? It's very important. Feedback is really important going forward, right? It will help a lot to shape how better we do this daily, right? Please, feedback is important. All right, let's look at Bitcoin, right? Okay, like I was saying previously, before I stopped it, saying that we're going to come back to Bitcoin since it's on the list of what we'll be doing today. This is what I want to see, right? It's currently not giving me what I want to see. It's staying above this structural break to the downside, right? It's staying above. It's staying below the structural break to the downside, right? So at the moment, I also told you guys that this looks likely like what is called an exhaustion, liquidity trap, whatever this called. This took out these lows, right? Took out this low and came down here. I believe also took out some lows here, right? Of course it did. So really, well, if that's supposed to be a strong bullish pressure, we shouldn't see price coming really now, right? Coming down now, right? What I mean is just see price shoot upward, probably later when it satisfies its upward move, can retrace a little bit for a move, right? Like this kind of movement. That's what is expected when the structure is breaking. The pressure that the structure used to break is solid, right? You see, that's what is expected at the moment. If this continues, 52k discounted price is still very much in view, right? Before we move to our 98k 100k region, right? That's purely what the chart is saying, right? If you disagree, let me know why you did. Let me know in the comment section, right? It's as simple as that, right? This is what I'm looking at. This is a demand region, that, right? It's from this point that the price move upward, right? So it's a demand region. Okay, let's say we want to be radical, that price has gone up to high, cannot come to that region. Of course, the previous if you believe support and resistance, the previous high that broke structure, right? That what was it called? This previous high before the structure broke, the guy that broke the structure is there, right? So there's a lot of demand here, right? Price might likely come touch this demand region to reconfirm before it move upward, right? So it is what it is, my friends. It is what it is, right? Let's be hopeful price is going to continue upward. That is, we are going to assume that this is an expanded flat. Like I said in one of our videos, I told you if you do this, and of course that concludes, that become an expanded flat, right? An expanded flat for a upward move. So whatever the chart is doing, that's why it's the voice of the chart, right? We'll be here to monitor stuff and know what's up, right? All right, so that's that, friends. Please, if you have questions, and let me know what's up. I don't know if someone say hello. I don't know if that's what all right, please comment, let me know what's up. That comment doesn't look, it looks like spam. Whatever it is, let's move on, right? Let's not get distracted. So friends, what I said, Bitcoin is still very much in play for 100k, although I see 52k as possible. Perfect discounted price, right? Of course, the price already discounted a lot, about 50%, and that's good enough, right? But whatever, I see price discounting a little bit further, right? Yesterday I told you guys Ethereum gave me what I expected, right? I drew this candle, right, to explain why I feel Ethereum gave me what was nice, right? Of course, I think Ethereum, oh my god, I didn't even pay attention. Okay. I thought Ethereum reached all-time high, right? Of course, It broke. Remember the last time this breaks, this broke, right? Price quickly came down, right? Because this one broke, it's closing above. This obviously the rated. It dropped a lower time frame, that should be obvious, right? This an obvious what do you guys call this evening pattern, right? Evening star, right? Right? I'm really not too much in patterns, right? But whatever it is, I prefer looking at structure, right? So of course the structure is nice for Ethereum, right? Hopefully this is just a flag. If you believe in flag, right, this is just a little stop, right? Probably a little ABC, then move up, right? That's what I feel. Because the structure is saying, all right, I can go, right? That's what the structure is saying. So let it go. You can come test this previous structure that it broke to confirm if the break was legit, right? Or the up move. All right, that's that. Let's look at Luna, right? Luna is good, really bad, not bad, right? A project, I mean, right? Not saying that you should go buy Luna. Of course, you guys know what's up, right? You guys know what's up. My target is it, right? That's why I brought this up today. In case you followed my previous video where I talked about Luna, because you know what I was expecting. You can clearly see this is my target, guys. I think I targeted the 60-70, right? Because the second target is in play. This one here. Because this one here. That's perfectly fine for me for now. Take out some profit, wait for a retracement, and of course expect price to shoot up afterward, right? So that's it. That's for Luna, right? Comment section, let me know what's up, guys. Let me know what's up. Let me know if this session is enjoyable to you, right? Algorand, don't know what happened. Algorand got to $3 at November 18. There was a massive sell-off. All right, whatever it is, price came down again to test this level. It's currently pushing up. Whatever that happened here, really not nice to watch. But whatever it is, we hope it continues upward to give us a nice, this is a 50% retracement already. We hope it continue upward to give us what's expected of it, right? That's the $4 to $5 region, right, for a nice target, right? All right, it's looking like they want to continue going up, right? So let's be hopeful and watch this, right? It looks like what I said, so simple. I see a mini structural break. I hope that confirms. What I mean is this is a high, this is a lower high, right? That's a high, sorry, a low, right? Lower high, right? Whereas again do I have a lower low? This didn't make a low, right? Obviously they didn't, so this is simply come on, this is simply a high, low, what's there, lower high, right? It didn't make a lower low, so I can't count that as a lower low, right? Price from here started making higher high, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, made a low, right? But despite this low, the low is still below. It's just consolidating, right? The structure is not clear enough, but what I can see here, this was the lowest, right? So if this is the lowest on this down move, there's the top, right? Of course, it broke the top, it could not stay. This structural level still very much considerable, right? Of course, if we consider the week, right, we'll have to push the structure because this made a high, right? This is a high, higher high, right? A low, what should I say? This is not a lower low, right? This is a lower high, right? This what's it called? Higher high, right? This higher high, this higher low, right? Higher high, higher low, right? So basically, this is uptrending, right? It's really not clear, right? It's not clear enough because there are so many price manipulation in this region. So whatever it is still very much bullish, right? It's still bullish. If the price is moving on this track, right, we should see price going back to either touch this or come back here. But whatever it's going to do, this structural play here is more or less like a retracement. Obviously, let's hope it's going to push up again, right? Let's hope it's going to push up again. All right, friends, comment section, let me know what's up, right? Let's look at Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is not doing bad, right? Really not doing bad, right? Axie Infinity is on a price discovery journey, right? Price discovery journey. So that shouldn't cause a panic, but that's the way it is, my friend. This structure has to complete one way or the other, right? Is to they should give theory, whatever it is. If you say, okay, this one, this two, this three, and 4 should retrace deep for a 5, 4 retracing deep for a 5. Okay, if I assume this is 4, this 3, and this 5 retrace for a completed circle, then start counting again, right? It is what it is. Of course, you can clearly see divergence. Of course, divergence is not a signal that, okay, this is going to happen, right? It's an indication that this might likely be the end of that. Of course, that confounds with the MACD breaking down. Notwithstanding, we still have to look at overall structure, and overall structure is still very bullish. There's no flip yet, right? It was a low. I hope this is a high. This is the higher low. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, right? This higher low, high, right? Of course, it's trying to form a low. It's not higher in equilibrium, so it's likely telling us that probably there will be a shift to complete the circle before they move up, right? This is what I see, right? I'm not saying Axie Infinity has stopped already, but fortunately, I'm trying to look at what the chart is saying, right? If you believe it's going to continue from here, no problem. I'm not saying it's not going to continue, but as far as I'm concerned, this looks like it's going to dip, right? It's going to retrace deeply. That's what I think, right? That's what I think, right? This is obviously not 5. So whatever it is, we'll monitor it. 1, 2, 3 becomes 1, right? 1, 2, 3 becomes 2, right? And although if I flip this, target for theory is not met, so we can't say that's a completed theory. Might likely have a push to go complete theory around 216, right? Of course, if theory want to extend, you can have theory around theory was the 315, right? So after that, we can get a 4. That is assuming this is not 5. This might likely just be 4 and 5, right? This can just be 4 and 5. because we have a deep retracement like ABC deep one for continue for the beginning of another circle. Whatever it is, um I believe theory is not complete, so we can still have upward movement, right? But that's really not my thing, right? If you guys have been following me for some time now, you know I really don't go like looking for stop at the top, right? So I will obviously not go buying here, right? I'm a buyer here, right? I'm a buyer here. I'm a buyer here. Probably not a buyer here because I know this doesn't look healthy for me. Of course, the price didn't move significantly after now, but whatever it is what it is, right? I'm not also a buyer here, right? If it comes down to this region, I'm a buyer, right? If it comes down to this region, I'm a buyer, right? You can see price move quickly here, so there's a lot of liquidity, what is called liquidity void, whatever you understand it to be. There's a lot of gap around this level that price might likely come free, right? It's not what they call, it's not assured, it is not guaranteed that price will come and feel it. Price can keep going up. Fundamental analysis, fundamental factors has a lot to play, but whatever it is, I'm obviously not a buyer. Even if it goes to the moon, I'm not a buyer. Even if it goes to 500, I'm not a buyer, right? I'm not if I'm not buying here, there's no way I'm gonna buy here, right? No way. It has to come significant. Then I know I have something that I'm betting on, right? From here, if I buy, I know I'm betting on at least 70%. If it goes, if we go back to the high. But what am I betting on here? Betting on uncertainty. Of course, uncertainty is part of the game, but I wouldn't like to bet on such uncertainty, right? So for me, I prefer to like wait, right? So guys, I appreciate if you have comments, right? Send them in. In absence of any of the comments, let me review some other chart. ADA, what is ADA doing? ADA is becoming too slow. I hope ADA is not following the path of SRP, right? I hope it's not going to do that. So I expect ADA to break, retest this, and keep going up, right? This is too much of a dip already, right? It's too much of a dip already, right? That's like 70% already. That's too much of a dip from this swing high, from this swing low to this swing high. Retracement is already around 79%, right? Of course, ADA has not hit my target, or has it? It has not. So target for ADA is around this 5 to 10, right? Right, 6, then 8 to 10, right, around this region. So as you can see clearly, it's not met yet, so I don't need to panic in any way. I believe you're going to shoot up really quickly, right? All right, the comment is open for question. I would like to know what's up. I'd like to know what you're thinking. I'd like to know how, you know, this can be of helpful to all of us. Please, if you have questions, let me know. Let's look at inch. Inch is this. I don't know what inch is doing. It keeps coming down despite giving us whatever. Inch has to do something good, at least to the previous high of $7, right? They all depend on Bitcoin movement, right? So we hope Bitcoin is going to really do good, right? And of course, let these guys move, right? Wow, this is a nice one, right? I entered this, I think around here, right? That's when I bought college, right? Bought college around here. So I'm up over 100 or 200% or thereabout. Yeah. So you see, I keep telling you, I'm up over 400%. I keep telling you at the moment I'm not looking to sell, right? For reasons the why, because I bought it with the expectation that it's going to go for price discovery. Currently on the journey of price discovery, so it can go discover price at any level, can go discover price at 500, 200. So let it just go discover price, right? I have little or no nothing to risk, because where I bought even if it comes down, doesn't matter. I'm not in a loss, right? Although it's advisable to take some profit, but there's really no reason for me to take profit. So what am I taking profit of? That's the question. So this is a price discovery journey, right? No matter what I try to do, if I try to fib, there's really nothing to even fib here, right? So there's nothing to fib. It's on a price discovery journey, so let it go discover what's up. It doesn't matter if it goes down, keep going down. I don't care, right? I just want it. I bought it for long-term purpose, so I'm gonna wait, right? This is one of those stuff that I just in my life we just all right, that's it. What's there? This one also okay, I think I did this around here, I guess. So I think I did this around here, right? I'm up, muscle up there around. This one also, these are play to earn projects, NFT, whatever. They play to earn. I think I have them categorized. All right, they are play to earn. Right. All right, I got them very low, right? I got them very, very low. So all of them are in profit. So whatever it is, I'm not looking to sell, right? I'm not looking to sell. Reason being that they are on the journey of price discovery and there's not much liquidity at the moment, right? I'm looking at this going to this level, looking at this going back to this level, right? If this is a completed circle, obviously the circle should go up below to complete. Of course, if you want to complete here, no problem, but whatever it is, I'm still in profit. So that's it. I'm not in a hurry. All right, friends, what's up with you guys? What's up with you guys? Right, in absence of any questions today, thanks for right. All right, what does happen? In absence of any other question, I appreciate your time. I hope to do this again. Just before you log off, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get important information. Absolutely.